morning, 8th class children. Open your notebook, textbook, and take pen and get ready for the class. In previous class, we did problems on sets, 6th chapter, and C exercise, page 98. About sets. Set, once again I am explaining every day. In every class I am giving the definition of sets. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Collection of well-defined objects. Collection only. Suppose when you go to sweet shop, this is the collection of sweets. The sweets are made with sugar, not jaggery, because they are sweet in taste. And some eatables made with chili powder, savories. So collection of these savories, collection of sweets, collection of breweries, which drinkable cool drinks. So such all collections, they are all defined. Collection of 8th class boys, 8th class students boys, 8th class students girls. Like that we can give collection of farmers. They are working in the field. They are defined. Collection of professionals. They do their business, their profession. Blacksmiths, carpenters, goldsmiths, weavers, farmers, like that. See, like that we can give some number of examples. And regarding our studies, collection of natural numbers, collection of odd numbers, even numbers, collection of prime numbers, composite numbers, like that. So collection, it is nothing but collection, and they are represented writing the elements with commas and enclosed with a curly bracket. Now it is written expressed in two methods. One is roster form, the other is set-Bendel form. What is the roster form? The elements are written, listed with commas and enclosed with a like this: A, E, I, O, U, like this. Write the team of the players. That is also a set. Now this is a roster form. This is roster form, and set-Bendel form other way. What is the set-Bendel form? We won't write the elements. We represent with X element. These are called elements. Objects of the set are called elements. A, E, I, O, U. See this. This is roster form, set-Bendel form. X is such that X is a oval. X is a, because these are ovals. Ovals of English alphabet. English alphabets. English alphabets. So this is set-Bendel form. This is roster. In roster form, we know the elements. In set-Bendel form, we write the rule of the elements in set-Bendel. Okay. After this, we defined about types of sets. First one, empty set. It is in the name only, empty. No, in the morning our stomach is empty. No food in the stomach. Like that, empty set means no a set which contains no elements. No elements. It is represented with the spike. Empty set. Singleton set. Single. A set which contains only one element. Only one element is called singleton set. and equal sets. The sets are, if two sets are having equal, same elements. Equivalent, if two sets have same number of elements, cardinal number. Finite set, a set which contains countable elements. It has beginning and also ending. We can start with starting elements and we can close with bracket. And it has a cardinal number. How many students are there in your class? You say 30 students. So it is countable. Like if a set which contains a countable elements are called finite and infinite, so we cannot count. It has beginning but no end. So like this. And union intersection. A union B, sets of union A union B means the elements of A and B are combined in order. In A intersection B, common elements. Write common elements in both the sets. Only common elements means that implies X. Suppose you take one element X, it may lie in set A or X belongs to B. It may lie in A or B, and X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Like this. It is common. X is, if suppose you take one element A, it is in A and also in B. We represent with Venn diagram like this. Combine. This is A intersection B. This is A intersection B. A intersection B. This common elements are written here. A intersection B. And you show this is universal set, rectangular form, represent with mu. Set A, set B. The other elements are written here in B here. In union, combine all the elements. Representation of Venn diagram is easy in the for the calculations of union and intersection A minus B, B minus A also. Now, let us do few more problems given in 6C. Yes, I will explain. I will take here. We did the 6th problem also. So let us do 6-7. In 6C, it is very easy chapter and easy to understand because these are all our surroundings, related to our surroundings. 6th problem, page 98. Set A 4, 6, 9, 15, 20, 21. Set B given 6, 15, 20, 23. Find find A union B, A intersection B, and verify A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. It is the formula. N stands for cardinal number of elements. Now let us find A union B. Draw Venn diagram easy. Representation A, B, right. Draw rectangle. It is universe. Now what are the common elements? 6, 6, 15, 15, 20, 20. 6, 15, 20, you write in the middle. It is intersection part. And what are the remaining elements? 4, 9, 20. And here only 23. Right. Now we can find easily number 1 A union B. First find A union B. Write A union. Write in order. First 4. Next 6, 9. After 9, 15. 15 means next 20, 21, 22, 23. These are this is A union B. Now count n of A union B. N of A union B means number of elements in A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, right here 7. Next, second thing, intersection. A intersection B is equal to 6, 15, 20. Now, number of elements in A intersection B. 1, 2, 3. 3. Set A contain here NA. NA meaning is cardinal number of set A, cardinal number of B, number of elements in B, A union B, number of elements in union, number of elements in intersection. Cardinal number we say. N stands for cardinal number, cardinal number, cardinal number. Let's. Now, N of A. Number of elements in set A, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6. Next, number of elements in set B, count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here from diagram also we can do 4. Now substitute in the formula. What is the formula? N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Substitute the values. N of A union B 7. Number of elements in set A 6. Number of elements in set B 4. And number of elements in A intersection B 3. So 7 is equal to 6 plus 4, 10 minus 6, 7. True. Right. This is the solution of this type of problem. And the seventh problem also said, but 3 given. Seventh A 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. B 7, 8, 11, 15, 20. And C 5, C 5, 8, 11, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 20. Okay. We have to prove here A intersection. Verify that A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Now only this is intersection part. Union is combined and intersection is only right common elements. Common elements. First of all, we have to simplify bracket LHS A intersection B intersection C. First of all, we have to do B intersection C. First, you probably any problem. First, you attend this intersection bracket term. B and C. B and C common elements are B intersection C. In LHS, okay. B intersection C is equal to common elements C 8, 11, 15, 20. Right. 8, okay, 11, next 15, next 20. B intersection C 8, 8, 11, 11, 15, 20, 20. Oh. Next A intersection B intersection C. See this A. What is the common? 11 is there, and 15, 11 and 15, no 20. So A intersection B intersection C is common elements are 11 and 15. And coming to RHS, what is RHS? RHS is A intersection B intersection C. First of all, we have to do bracket term A intersection B. What is A intersection B? A and B common elements. 7 is common. Next 8 no. 7 okay. 9 no. 11 is there. So right like this. 11. Next 13 no. 15 yes. So only 3 elements in A intersection B. And the next what is given? A intersection B bracket close and intersection C common elements. Let us find 7 common. In A intersection B 7 is there. Is there 7? No. Omit. 11 is there. Okay. 11. And is there 15? Yes, 15. Oh, 11 and 15 only. In LHS, we get 11 and 15 elements only, and in RHS also 11 and this is 11, 15 in LHS, in RHS also 11, 15, hence they are equal. This is equal. So therefore, A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B U intersection C. Rule equal. Rule like this. So you have to do like this.